morning, everybody. It is Ruthie Rocks in beautiful sunny Las Vegas. I love this time of year. Springtime is wonderful, and it's going to get warmer, but in the meantime, we're just enjoying it so much. And today is Wednesday. I kept thinking it was Thursday, but it's Wednesday, and we have a special show today. I am a member of Mari Smith Superstars. And so as soon as we do the stats, we are going to talk about the ultimate Facebook success formula. And I hope everybody is going to, if you don't have time to watch it, and it's about a half hour, come back and watch it later today so that you don't miss all this information, which I'm sure you're not going to hear anywhere else. First of all, let us talk about what's going on in our market. Let me hide all these guys, and here we go. Wrong. Over here, there we go. So we have 20 days of inventory, give or take. Until we have a full week of stats, sometimes it's hard because we had 2 days out of the 6 days that were weekends, so we didn't record closings. However, taking that into consideration, 95 sales a day. If you take that out of consideration, it's about 130 sales a day. So somewhere in between there, we will settle. I like the 130 mark. I think probably we're going to end up there this month because it's April and people are buying homes and listing homes. We have 514 homes on the market that are 465,000 and under. We just listed 27 yesterday of that price range. And we have a total of 2,669 homes, of which 1,960 are single family homes. And we listed 95 homes yesterday, closed 88. So our numbers came up a little bit. That's good. We have sold 46 homes and closed them to investors. Most of that is cash. In our class on Monday, we had some people thought, oh, there's going to be a crash. Well, I don't think there's going to be a crash because we keep putting more and more money, cash money, into our marketplace. And when you do that, you're not, the foreclosures are not going to hurt those people. I mean, it's not going to go down to zero. If there is anything it's going to happen, it will be a small correction. I don't even think it's going to be 5%, but we shall see. In the stock market, they predict there's always a correction of like 10% here and there. And then that bear market turns into a bull market. So who knows, if the price goes down, more people might come into the market and then the race begins all over again. I love real estate. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait because it always changes, but over time it always increases in value. And we showed you that yesterday. This is really a great, come on. There we go. We showed you this yesterday. And I mean, let me put it over here. If you bought a home in January, you've median price, you have increased your value by 30,000 equity. And if you bought a home last April, 100,000. In 2020, 120,000. Look, if you bought a home 3 years ago, your home has increased in value 152,000. And this is how you can use these numbers to convince people to buy real estate, and especially investors. If you call people who already have investment properties, this is a great, find out what their value, what it was when they bought it, let them know how much it's worth now. And to them, it's a business decision. Okay, let me sell this one and I'll buy 2 of these and I might mortgage 1 or 2 of them. Or maybe I'll buy 2 condos because the rents are like out of the world. You can get 8 to 10% return if you buy it right. Anyway, exciting market that we're in. And it's also exciting to be in real estate. I've been in real estate 35 years and I'm telling you, every day you wake up unemployed and every day it's a new day. And every day you get new challenges and it keeps you alive and it keeps you helping people. And like we taught in class the other day, your state of mind has to be joyful and grateful, not fearful. You have to be just happy that you can share information with people, that you can answer their questions. You can do this on social media with videos and stay relevant, and so many things that you can do.